So, Berthe, you came the last in 2024, and you do a lot of treatment. And tell me about how was after the treatment, your lower back, your knees. How do you feel after that?
In the first 2 weeks, I felt a little bit of general inflammation. And over time, it just got better and better. I ended up, after about a year, was able to dance again, play pickleball 3 times a week instead of once a week, and being able to pick the children from the floor to standing up was huge, because I couldn't do that before. I'd always have to make sure the child was near a table to be able to get up. The wrist, never wear a brace. The knees, never wear a brace, just for playing pickleball, just because I'm scared of hurting myself.
For sure.
More than I really need it. So yeah, it's been, I feel 20 years younger, like,
That's
and I think I look 20 years younger. My skin, my, yeah, everything.
That's good.
Mhm.
And well, we already checked like the blood work, the improvement that you have in your
Yeah.
diabetes. We talked about the last time that you've been here, you was taking 2 medications for diabetes, and now you take only one, and your A1C is much better than the last time.
I'm impressed.
Yeah, so I think that this treatment, the IV treatment, is going to help more than more with the diabetes too.
It's what we believe. Yeah, it's a miracle, and thank you for your miracle. I am wowed. I tell people everywhere, and my sisters are like, you sound like a stuck record. Stop it. And I'm like, I can't help it. Everybody I see that is suffering, I'm like, stem cell, dream body clinic, and they'll write it down. And especially with pickleball, you see a lot of people that are struggling with their health and diabetes and injuries or arthritis. And yeah, so they write it all down. I have a lot of followers that watch me, relatives, family reunion, everybody wrote it down. So I don't know who's been here, but it's impressive to know that I've come this far. And my only worry, and it's not really a worry, it's a joke I always tell people, I might be living to 200 years old. Where are my friends going to be?
Well, they need to put out stem cells too.
Exactly. So if that's my only stress, I'm okay with that. Yeah. So the grandkids love that one. So yeah, no, it's been great. Got my smile back and my dance on. I won a dancing competition. That's why I'm here.
Wow.
I was dancing with my my group from Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. The Gecko Band from Puerto Vallarta here came out to Saskatoon, Canada to look for the next redneck girl. And I got the t-shirts made, and I have all my pickleball people following, and came out. We were 28, and 3 of us made it to the finals. Tabby and I ended up for first place for Saskatchewan, second place to Alberta. But so they brought me here, and we've been to their shows twice. The Saskatchewan Riders won football this year, so we had a big party to raise money for the children of Mexico. And that's what the Gecko Band does. They donate to the children that are struggling.
Wow, that's great.
And other things. But yeah, it was, it's just been a great to be here. Like, wow. I've shoveled snow 15 times this year. I couldn't shovel before because of my knee and my wrist. So now I can. So I'm thrilled about that. I don't have to sell my house because I can shovel.
You're continuing having a lot of improvements.
Yes, exactly.
Thank you.
Thank you.